Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to do a refund. And this video is going to be a little tricky because there's a couple different ways to go here. So let's say someone comes in and wants a refund for whatever reason. If it's same day, you can just go in here to search, pull up the ticket that they had, and then you would just proceed to remove the tender. So you would select the tender. Now this may be a Visa, MasterCard, cash, whatever. I used a custom tender on this transaction. I would go here and I would select avoid the payment. Once you void the payment, then technically you can give their money back. If it's a card, it wouldn't process their card because that credit card is not going to process till the end of the day. So at this point, if it's same day, then it's just an authorization at this point. And since it's just an authorization, that authorization will drop off. Depending on their bank, it'll drop off in a couple days, but it won't actually charge their card. Now, if it's a situation where this was a couple days ago or yesterday, then you have a chance you can find it in reports. So if you go here and go to reports, and then I'll just go to daily summary for now. And I don't have one to pull up from a previous day, but let's pretend like this is a previous day. So I got this in my transactions here. I've got my tender, and this will show like MasterCard, Visa, Discover, and I'm just going to use this Anthem one again for demonstrations. I click on this and say, oh, this is so-and-so's ticket. I'm going to go in here, select this ticket. Now I've got the option up here at the top to view original. And this isn't going to work on the laptop or on a computer whenever you're in the admin portal. It's only going to work here on the iPad. If you view original, it'll take you back to that ticket. Now, credit cards are kind of iffy because it doesn't give you the option to remove or undo the credit card so many days after the fact. So like I said, this would be like a try it and see kind of thing. But you would do the same process. You would go here, you select this. And if it gives you the option to remove it, great. If not, which it isn't giving me the option here to do it. So there's another way to do the refund. So another way is to start a new ticket. But before you ring anything up, you go to the info button. And then you scroll down here on the right and go to refund ticket. We go to refund ticket, it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to go into refund ticket mode? You say yes, give a reason. You can say it was a mistake or error. It's going to turn this whole section pink. So that means it's in refund mode. So if you ever see this anywhere else, any other time you're in here, it means refund. Plus it says refund right there. Then you just go and start ringing up the item that they had. So we'll just ring up the exact same item. Then you would get to the 6161, and then you would go to checkout, give in the info if it's asking for it, and then you would hit card if you're trying to refund it back to the card. Basically, you're just counteracting the charge that's on there, and you can't undo it. You're basically just adding on a negative so it evens out. In this case, I would do the Anthem one, since that's my custom tender. And then I would have the negative 6161 and the positive 6161. So they were counterbalanced there. But those are the different ways to do a refund. I hope this video helped. That's all I have for this one. Thanks for watching.
Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.